I just know.
I am a happy sponge.
I see you're happy.
Oh, hey, Patrick. Want to go for a walk with me?
Do I?
Who is that, Patrick?
I've seen that from a movie. His name is Pigsy.
Pigsy?
Pigsy angry. Pigsy hungry. Run!
I think we outran him.
Good. What else? What else will there be?
Good. What else will there be?
I don't know.
Nutella octopus! Run! I think we finally outran him.
Good. I don't know if I can take all this running. What else? What else is there? What else chases us around?
Shark! Oh, run! Oh, yuck! Oh, Patrick, you are so strong.
Yeah, the gym membership you got me really paid off.
How do we stop all these creatures from showing up?
If we want to stop them, then we're going to need a bioexorcist.
But Patrick, what is a bioexorcist?
It's an entity that can get rid of people. It's from another movie.
How do I summon such an entity?
You just say his name 3 times.
Okay, bioexorcist.
That's not his name.
Well, do you mind telling me?
Well, his name's a combination of a certain bug that you're not supposed to touch, and what comes out of oranges when you squeeze them.
Cockroach blood? That's a weird name.
No, it's Beetlejuice. Uh-oh.
Patrick, I always thought you were stupid.
Yep, even I am not that dumb, Spongebob.
You can be very smart when you want to be. Patrick. Is this guy gonna want a treat? It's the least I could do. Mr. Bioexorcist, I just can't thank you. Hey, how you doing, Toots? Are you the Bioexorcist?
Oh yeah, that's me. Her. Yeah, it was because she dated dude. She married dude. Yeah.
Thank you for exercising the bios.
I think she worked.
I guess you can go now.
Where she worked at.
Oh, I ain't going nowhere. He's not leaving.
Yes. No, she worked at that gas station.
Hey, how's old Beetlejuice doing? It's been a while.
Patrick, the guy smells like he's been dead for 400 years.
I walked in there one time.
No, probably only since the late 1980s.
Yeah, that's why I said I knew she had gotten this out of 10
Well, give me a treat so we can get rid of this guy.
They still together. They married picture.
Oh, SpongeBob, you don't get rid of Beetlejuice just by giving him a treat.
Well, how do you get rid of
I
him?
ain't never get the hit or nothing.
Well, it's been a while since I've seen the movie, but I think you have to marry him.
Oh no, I'm the gay groom of Beetlejuice.
Oh wait, I just remembered, there's another way.
It was a reason
Like,
why.
there's another way.
I mean, kids,
Tell me.
He can be defeated by a sandworm.
A sandwich, and I thought the pig was ridiculous.
No, not a sandwich, a sandworm. You know, like a worm that lives in sand.
Wait, is this Beetlejuice or Frank Herbert's Dune? Dune.
Yeah, okay, yeah.
If only I knew how to summon a sandworm.
I have an idea. You better come on, in case it doesn't work.
Well, congratulations.
Why do I have to come?
If it doesn't work, he'll marry you.
That's actually a cool motherfucker.
Hey, how you doing, Toots?
Ugh, he does smell. Ugh, he does smell. Now what?
I got this. Sandworm.
That's not gonna work. Look!
I feel like I messed with another one.
Look!
Oh, Beetlejuice, take a look over there.
I had my old snack.
See, that's me.
Man, I had my old. I was bro.
I'm out of here, Toots.
Man. Yeah, that's beautiful.
Thank you, Mr. Sandworm. Finally, we can have some time for ourselves. Finally, we can have some time for ourselves.
Yo, wanna go jellyfishing?
Do I ever? Da! Really? Our second SpongeBob plush video, and this is the ending? Mr. Squidward! You're breaking the fourth wall again! If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe.